So our teams have been more focused over the past year on digging into our clients' business, the entire customer journey. We say from click to close or from lead to sale. So we can really understand how their entire business operates, not just how they generate leads and transfer those to a CRM. So why do we do that? We do that because at the end of the day, our job as marketers is to drive sales, not just leads. And we can't drive sales if we don't know which of those leads are higher quality or converting, or how much value we're generating in terms of opportunity value, pipeline value, or closed won sales. So fast forward, how do we do that? We have to actually embed with our clients and their sales teams or RevOps teams to really understand what happens to that lead or that conversion after the click, after the form submission, after the phone call. And so when you follow that thread, really where that leads us is to deeper integrations with client CRMs and CRM functionality, making sure that we're mapping the right data from the leads through to a CRM and then tracking those opportunities all the way through to close. And at the end of the sales conversation, whether it takes 2 hours or 2 weeks or 2 months, feeding that data back into our strategies and our optimization to make sure we're optimizing for higher quality leads, not just more leads.